Jeff Heron has a B.F.A in commercial photography from University of Detroit, Michigan. His love for architecture and design reflects in his collection of artistic photographs. We took a look at the living room images he has clicked up for his portfolio and were genuinely impressed. Looking at these images, one can't but marvel at the fine details that have been immaculately transferred from reel to reel. The interiors are no doubt gorgeous, but the photographs make them desirable beyond expectation.